So here at Fred's place at Boxer Works, for this to be serviced, what was early actually, I think 4,000 miles, so 2,000 miles early, ready for the big trip. Fred's had his help, 2 wee dogs. So Fred, anything of any note during this service?
Not really, all up together. Obviously, as you mentioned, it is a little early. Oil was in good order still, as I'd expect. So that's been changed along with the oil filter. Slightly off topic, I guess. No, the oil filters are now, they've actually superseded the oil filters for these. You've got one of the older ones, which can't be used on the S1000 range because they were actually spinning off at high RPM. So you've got that type of filter on this, but due to frequencies and things like that, and the fact it doesn't rev as high, it's okay. But yeah, for the S range, they've changed the oil filters now.
So something you mentioned to me earlier about the brake oil, and I'd be interested to know what your take on it for other people's benefit, what you've noticed and what you chose to do today.
Yeah, so you supplied me with BMW brake fluid, and obviously I'm getting bikes that are out of warranty and things like that and have dealer history. They're using BMW brake fluid, and I'm finding a lot now that the brake fluid is actually crystallising and almost congealing in the reservoirs. So I have documented it previously in some of my videos, but given the fact I'm seeing this, you've got the brake fluid I use, which is BMW's own brand, and when that's coming back year on year, I've had no issues with it.
Fantastic. So a couple of things while I've got you. So you've got an event happening on the 26th?
26th of April, yeah, got an open day, so that's running 10 till 4. Got a pizza van coming and a pop-up coffee shop with some cake. And hopefully by then this workshop will actually be finished. It will no longer look like a building site.
So let's see what you've done here then. We've got a lift there.
Yep, lift there and a lift here, both obviously sank into the ground. And then underneath that sheet is another hole ready for the third and final lift to go in. And then this partition wall should be going. New lighting and plasterboard throughout. And yeah.
And that staircase is going as well, right?
I think not for a minute. I'm actually going to move it closer to the wall, and then have office and some storage for bodywork and things like that when I'm stripping bikes down upstairs. So it just keeps everything out of harm's way, and then make a sort of oil station under here, if you like, with a drip tray and all of that. So it's, you know, just keeps everything tidy in. It's all got its place.
Excellent. Well, thank you very much.
You're welcome.